there, it's Tati MUA. So I don't know if you guys are like a fan of like Anastasia Beverly Hills as I am, because if you are, then as you know that yesterday Anastasia Beverly Hills just launched a special edition palette, which is sultry. Here's the palette, as you can see, out of its package and all. It's very much different to its like other palettes. For example, like all of these palettes, I have all of them, but they all have like the velvet texture. Compared to the sultry does not. So this one really actually caught my attention compared to these. I mean, like, I still love these palettes and all, but it's just that like they're just different from like the rest. And here, I will show you guys the inside of it. Here's the shades of all of the sultry. Here you go. Take a look at it. So this sultry palette, actually majority of it is just like shimmers. That's what I like to call. And it only has like a few of like solid base colors. Either way, I'm still in love with it. And I tried it out just a couple shades to see how I actually look. I'm actually in love with it. And I haven't created a look with it yet, which I want to right now with you guys. So you guys can see me actually just like kanjibar mi cara, you know? Because I don't know anything. I'm sorry, I just got into this music. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and create a look with the sultry palette right here. Before creating our look, I'll be using my Smashbox 24-hour primer, which I'll be using on my lids. Can't live without this. Like, honestly, this is like the lifesaver of my life. Alright, I had too much fun with this song. I'm sorry. We're starting off with the sultry palette. For our base color, we'll be using Fresh, which is the very first one of the palette. We're just gonna use a little bit of it. And we're gonna head and apply this on our crease. Not on our crease, on our lids. There we go, we already added our base. So for our second color, which we'll be using, is Birch. I said that totally wrong. Second shade. And I'm feeling like, since we're in the fall season, I feel like I want to do like a fall season look. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna do like a little bit of cut crease. So I don't do much cut crease because I can't do it. Best one. Like, I suck ass so much on cut crease. Like, mujer, you had no idea, honestly. But we're gonna go ahead and try it, and we're gonna go ahead and butcher my fucking face off. Did our cut crease. I know it's bad, like yo ya sé, I already know. So onto our next color. I'll be using Twig, which is right here in the bottom right here. I'll be using that and blend it in together with my cut creases at, to add in like a kind of like a deeper like a depth brown. since like we're in the fall season, so like it's mostly about like orange, brown, pumpkin spice latte, you know, like like all the basic mujeres and all that shit, you know, like all the basics, you know. Might as well be basic, even though I'm like Latina, you know, gotta spice it up a bit, so I will. Just wait a second. Alright, so now let's get this going with our shade, which will be Twig. Alright, so we blended all that together. That's the key term. Blend, mejitas, blend. No quiero parecer como de bruja, okay? We can't be looking like that. Okay? Since I told you guys, like, I'm Latina, no, you know, gotta spice it up a bit, you know? So, we're gonna head and use blue. Just a little bit of it into our cut crease, you know? Just to have, like, a little difference, you know? Because quiero ser diferente, you know, like different. So we're gonna head and apply into our cut crease. So there we go. There we go. We already added in all of our shade, and since it's not a complete cut crease until we actually cut the bitch already, so mejitas, take out your favorite concealer. This is my most all-time favorite, as you all know, can never betray it. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this bitch open now. Hold on. For eyeliner, I'll be using my CoverGirl liquid eyeliner. Shake it up real good. And now we're gonna line up this bitch right now. There we go, mis amores. Here we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our mascara. So lately I have not been using my false eyelashes, since I've been using my regular eyelashes. So we're gonna curl these bitches up. Since I naturally have like long eyelashes, just that they're straight down, that you can never see them. Ow! Hate braces, but whatever, just to fix these teeth, we're all good. So we're gonna curl up these bitches. So as you guys can tell the difference, these are my natural long eyelashes, and these are the ones with mascara. As you can see, obviously mascara obviously just make your eyelashes look longer, but just that like it actually holds them really good. As you can see, I guess you guys can see my pinche acne and all that, you know. I'm sorry, soy una sucia, pero look at these eyelashes, come on, like, aren't they so cute? Just kidding. Okay, so before completing this look, so I decided just to play around a bit, add in a little freckle. In order to add that, I'll be using what I use for my brows, which is the Anastasia Dip Brow. And I'll be using this to add in my freckles, since I naturally don't have freckles, so we're gonna add in freckles. Here you go. Here are my little itty bitty freckles right here. So before I'm gonna tell you guys it's all completed, let's fix this because I look like I don't even know. Yo no sé, pero eso perdida. I look abandoned. So we're gonna go ahead and fix all of this real quick, so I'll be back. Oh, here we go. Here's the finished look of mine. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.